Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. So we've got a nice little video for you today, a little bit of styling by our good selves. Quite an important car this, as you can probably see behind me. So it is a Mercedes A45 AMG. Particularly important because it's actually my wife's car, so we better make sure we get this extra spot on and give it a nice clean at the end. So we're going to be doing the wheels in gloss black, refurbishing them and then doing them in a gloss black to go with all the other trims. We're also going to be doing the front grille section as well in a gloss black, and debadging the boot lid and polishing that all up and doing the Mercedes centre badge and the bonnet Mercedes badge in gloss black as well. A few nice little touches, just make this a little bit extra sort of stealth looking. We may give it a polish and everything at the end as well, just to keep the wife happy. So as always, don't forget like and subscribe to our channel. We'll crack on with the video now. It's already in the workshop, as you can see behind me, but we'll get it all sorted and start stripping the bits and get on with the work. Keep watching. Thanks very much. Right, so the guys have got the Mercedes now on the ramp in the workshop. Wheels are now, so we'll go out and see how they're getting on. I think they're now taking the front bumper off as well. So let's have a look.
Well, I don't know, James, what I was asking.
So we've got the wheels all off. They need a good refurbishment. We've got a couple of tyres to put on because the wife hadn't realised 2 tyres needed changing.
Someone been driving like they stole it by the look on it.
Well, you can't hang around in these cars, can you, bud?
Apparently not. No, hang around too long, they rest.
Is he gone, Rusty Fraser?
No, mate. That's just webbing, isn't it?
Later that thing did.
It's now early evening.
I come and hold this bumper.
Got it, mate?
There we go.
No,
It's off. And now you can start stripping the grille. So James is just stripping the bumper, isn't he, pal?
Trying to
Get the grille out. All good fun, plenty behind there, let's have to strip. Just to get the silver grille out. We've already removed a bit of a combined effort here, you know. The centre Mercedes badge, but this comes with because the car's got the crash avoidance system thingy, whatever it's called. So the auto brakes if you get too close to the car in front.
Is that the technical term for it? Crash avoidance thingy?
Yeah, oh yeah. That's a well-known name that Mercedes call it, the crash avoidance thingy.
Good stuff.
Thank you, James. Thanks for that. Yeah. And so we take that out. So that's got all that on the back.
Just taking an AMG badge out of this now. Here's the screws. You want to always make sure you catch them. So
yeah, don't drop the screws.
Fall out and drop on the floor.
We get the AMG badge.
Yeah, here's the
there.
AMG badge. There we go.
Well done, pal. Just got to get the rest of that grille stripped now.
Yep. Right, we're in the spray booth. Got the bits for the boss's car. Front grille, wheel badges, and front and rear Mercedes badges. So we're going to put some P's and promoter on first, and then some black epoxy, and then the grille is being gloss, and all the rest of the bits are going sand.
Oh, lovely. You're going to do an awesome job, isn't it, James? Keep the wife happy. Sorry, the boss.
Yeah.
The main boss.
Yeah.
Right, we'll have a quick look at them.
We want to get paid at the end of the month.
Yeah, they want to get paid. There we go, pan around. So here's the badges. Not badges, badges. There we go for the wheels and the bonnet. So they're all going in matte black, aren't they? All them in matte black, grille gloss black. Lovely. Oh, they're totally gas. Oh, they get stuck on the back of it now. You got it now, you got it. Hi guys, thank you for checking out our latest YouTube video. So in this one we've decided to do a little giveaway. Everyone likes a giveaway, something for nothing pretty much. So all you've got to do is like and subscribe to our channel. Like the video, like I say, subscribe to the channel. Once we get 500 or more subscribers to our channel, then we'll pick 2 people at random, and then from all of our subscribers, and them 2 people can pick a hat or one of our caps. They're really nice caps for our Black Stag Styling. That's one of them. That's our grey and black one with the white line down the front. They're adjustable on the back, look, so you've got a little adjuster on the back. So either the grey and black or the black and red. You'll be able to take your pick as towards which one you want once we've picked the 2 people at random, and we will send them out to you. So get liking and subscribing. Thanks very much.
Right, so you might notice we're outside the spray booth this time. We're now lacquering the grill and it just has rear, mate, no rear. The grill and the centre caps for the boss's Mercedes. We've been waiting so long for him to come and record. I've had to put the first coat on. So we've got the second coat all ready to go. Now I put a mask on, go in and stick the second coat on. Lovely.
Good luck to you, pal. Good luck to you.
Hi there, Adam.
Hi. Thanks for joining us, Alex.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
We're just fitting this freshly de-chromed into gloss black and matte black grill.
A little close up. Yeah, a little bit nice contrast there. Badge in the matte black.
It's off the Mercedes. It is
Of the Mercedes.
Mercedes.
A bit of gloss black.
Yeah.
We couldn't do the centre bit. We couldn't take that apart. There's just got all sensors in it, and that pal.
Couldn't do it, mate.
We couldn't do it. Let's get it on.
Let's get it on, shall we?
Let's get it on. Here we go. We're getting the old bumper on. Look.
Here we go. Hey.
Get it all fitted back up.
Here we go. Crazy, I've got gloves on, mate. We'll do video.
Oh, you need your special gloves.
Yeah, I went with the camo gloves, mate.
Skin colour.
Clever, mate. Clever. Right. Is this definitely the right car?
I think it's the right one, mate. Looks like it's going to fit, so. Right, here we go. We're going to go see Adam. Is now, I think, about to take the Merc off the ramp and get it back on the ground. So he's got all the wheels on. You had?
Yeah, mate. Here we go.
There we go. He's got the wheels on. Let's go and see what he's doing. Oh, he's going down. There we go. Got to line it up with the little ramps. Look, lovely. Hello, mate.
Mate.
How are your new gloves?
Oh, mate. They're lovely. They're absolutely lovely.
Superb, mate. Superb. Supplied by Nick's Automotive Paint Supplies, I think we'll find.
I've been wearing them all weekend.
Have you?
Yeah.
What have you been using them to do at the weekend, Dad?
Got a bit wet when I was doing the washing up.
Other than that, they've been alright.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to go and see Adam again. Make sure he's just doing his clean on the car. So he's now got it outside. Just going to give it a wash, then we get it back in, give it a little bit of a polish up. We're going to see how he's doing. Here he is, look.
Hello, mate.
Hello,
I'm
mate.
Just whistling away, you know.
You seem nice and happy.
Got to whistle while you work, didn't you?
Make sure the old wife's car's looking nice, are we, mate?
Yeah, she. Yeah.
Oh, you
I'm
nearly.
going to hold off because my wife watches the videos too.
I'm going to get too carried away.
That's it.
Just getting the dust off. We'll give it a last little polish up.
Last little polish up, you know. Lovely times.
Got to keep the boss happy, haven't we, mate?
You got to, mate. It's coming up the payday, Gin.
Hi guys, and thanks as always for checking out our latest video at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. I have to really say it's been a pleasure working with this car. particularly because it's my wife's. So we've done a nice little bit of styling to her Mercedes A45 AMG. Actually, I really love driving this car. It's basically like a little go-kart on wheels. My wife Kerry really loves it as well, so we just wanted to add a few extra little touches to this. So we have done refurbished the alloy wheels, done them in gloss black. We've also then done the Mercedes emblem on the centre caps in a matte black, and that's just to have a little bit of difference between the gloss and the matte black finish. We've carried this through then onto the front grille. So front grille, bumpers all been removed as you've seen. Front grille's been done in gloss black, or the grille surround section. We've then done the AMG badge and the Mercedes badge off the bonnet, both in matte black, again to go with the centre caps on the wheels, and just have a little bit of difference between the two blacks really. Then on the boot lid, we have debadged the boot lid, polished it all, and then done the Mercedes emblem in a matte black as well. We've left the rest of the badges off. That just, I think, adds a nice... Don't really need the badges on this because it's got the aero kit, so you've got the spoiler and the canards on the front and the side skirt sections as well. So we'd already done spacers on this, so we brought the wheels out just level with the arches. So yeah, a few nice little touches to it. Hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Hopefully my wife is going to be pleased with the car. We'll be giving that back to her very soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notifications. Stay tuned for some more videos. Got loads more things coming, and we'll catch you again soon. Thanks for watching.